Hi, this is Jack at Carl's Buick GMC in Stewart. I just wanted to send you a video of the 2016 Buick Cascada. As you see, they are all convertibles. You can actually put the convertible down as you're driving up to 31 miles an hour. Of course, it has power windows, power locks, power mirror, power seat, has all the safety items you can want, has the forward collision alert, cruise control, Bluetooth for the phone. This does have the navigation. It also has the backup camera, and it also has OnStar. You do have the heated steering wheel, heated seats. The car is a gorgeous vehicle. And of course, it is an automatic top.